Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark.
We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today, we're talking about a wonderful topic, a topic that is important for everyone, all over the world.
Yes, we're going to learn how to talk about friends.
Friends. That's a perfect topic. Friends make our lives better, and we love talking about them.
Exactly. So, in this episode, we will learn simple words and phrases to describe your friends, to talk about what you do with them, and how to make new friends in English.
We will go slowly, repeat the important phrases, and give you lots of examples. So, get comfortable and let's start.
Let's do it. So, Mark, let's start with a simple question. A question people ask all the time. How would you describe your best friend?
Describe my best friend. Okay. My best friend's name is David. He is very funny. He always tells good jokes and makes me laugh.
That's a great word. Funny. My best friend, Maria, is not funny. She is very kind. She is always nice to me and to other people.
Funny, kind, those are what we call personality traits. They describe what a person is like on the inside.
Let's think of some more words to describe a friend's personality.
Okay, a friend can be smart. That means they are very intelligent. They know a lot of things.
Yes. Or maybe they are quiet. They don't talk very much, but they are a good listener.
Or the opposite, talkative. They love to talk. I think I am a little talkative.
Just a little, Mark. Another good word is helpful. A helpful friend is always ready to help you. If you have a problem, they try to solve it with you.
Wonderful. So we have funny, kind, smart, quiet, talkative, and helpful.
Let's use them. Mark, tell me about your friend David again, with a new word.
Okay. David is very smart. He is a teacher, so he knows a lot about history. And he is very helpful. Last week, he helped me fix my computer.
That's a good friend. Now, my friend Maria is very kind and a little quiet, but she is a wonderful friend.
Now, we don't just describe our friend's personality, right? We also talk about what we do with our friends.
Yes, the activities. Let's talk about some common things friends do together.
A very common one is we hang out.
To hang out. This is a fantastic natural phrase. It means to spend time together in a relaxed way. You don't need a special plan. You are just together.
For example, I can say, on Saturday, I hung out with David. It's simple.
Perfect. What else do friends do? They go to places. For example, we go to the cinema, or we go to a cafe.
They watch movies together, sometimes at the cinema, sometimes at home.
They listen to music. They play video games or play sports, like football or basketball.
And a very important one, they talk. They talk about their lives, their problems, their dreams.
Let's imagine a short conversation. Mark, you are person A and I am person B.
Hi, Anna. What did you do last weekend?
Oh, it was nice. I hung out with my friend Maria. We went to a cafe and we talked for 2 hours.
See? Simple, natural English.
Now, a very important part of friendship is making plans. How do you ask a friend to do something with you?
The easiest way is to ask the question, do you want to? Let's practice.
Okay, do you want to see a movie?
Do you want to get coffee?
Do you want to go for a walk?
Or you can say, would you like to? This is a little more polite, but it means the same thing. Would you like to come to my house?
Great. And how do you answer? If you say yes, you can say, yes, I'd love to. Sure, that sounds great. Yeah, good idea.
And if you say no, But politely, you can say, "I'm sorry, I can't. Maybe next time?" "That sounds fun, but I'm busy."
Let's do another short conversation.
"Hey, would you like to get lunch on Friday?"
Yes, I'd love to. What time?
"How about 1 o'clock?"
Perfect. See you then.
Easy, right?
Asking and answering is not so difficult. Now, let's talk about a different thing. How do you talk about your friends to another person? For example, how did you meet your friend?
Oh, that's a good one. A common phrase is "I met." For example, "I met David at university," or "I met him in a music class."
Yes, you meet someone at a place like school, work, or a party, or in a city or a class. I met my friend in London.
And how long have you been friends? We use for with a time. I have known David for 10 years.
I have known Maria for 5 years. We have been friends for a long time.
Let's put it all together. Anna, tell me about how you met Maria.
Okay, I met Maria at work. She started working at my office 5 years ago. We have been friends for 5 years. She is very kind and helpful. We often go to the park together on weekends.
Excellent. That's a perfect little story about a friend. Okay, Anna, I think it's time for our tips and common mistakes section.
I agree. Let's help our listeners avoid some little errors.
First, let's talk about meet and know. This is a common mix-up. You meet someone for the first time. It is one event in the past. I met him last year. You know someone for a period of time. It is a continuous state. I have known him for 1 year. You don't say, I know him for 1 year. You must say, I have known him.
That's a very important one, Mark. Thank you. Another small mistake is with his and her. If your friend is a boy or a man, you say his name is and he is funny. If your friend is a girl or a woman, you say her name is and she is kind. It seems simple, but when you are speaking quickly, it's easy to make a mistake. So practice.
Great tip. My last tip is about the word friend itself. The pronunciation can be tricky. It has a short eh sound. It does not sound like fry end. It's one sound. Friend.
Friend. Friend. Can you say it, listeners? Friend. Perfect. Okay, we've learned a lot. Let's do a quick recap and practice. We'll say the phrase and you repeat it after us. Ready?
Let's start with words to describe friends. Funny. Kind. Smart. Helpful.
Now, phrases for activities. Hang out. Go to a cafe. Watch a movie. Listen to music.
Now, how to make plans. Do you want to get coffee? Would you like to go for a walk? Yes, I'd love to. I'm sorry, I can't.
And finally, how to talk about your friend. I met him at school. I met her in a class. We have been friends for a long time.
Wonderful job. You are doing great.
You know, Mark, talking about friends makes me think. Making friends in a new language can feel scary. Do you have any advice for our listeners?
That's a great point, Anna. It can feel scary, but remember, everyone feels that way sometimes. My advice is to be brave. Just say hello.
Yes, a simple hello, my name is a perfect start. You can also give a compliment. For example, I like your bag, or that's a nice phone. It's a friendly way to start a conversation.
And remember, you don't need to use perfect, complicated English. Simple words are enough. People are usually very happy that you are trying to speak with them.
Absolutely. Be a good listener. Smile. And don't be afraid to ask, "Can you please repeat that?" Or, "What does that word mean?"
Great advice. Making a new friend is a beautiful thing.
Well, listeners, we are almost at the end of our show.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about friends in English today.
Remember to practice these phrases. Maybe you can write a few sentences about your best friend in a notebook, or say them out loud to yourself.
Practice makes perfect.
And that's all for today's Everyday English podcast.
Thank you so much for listening. If you liked this episode, please tell a friend.
Yes, please help our podcast grow. You can subscribe to our channel on your favorite podcast app.
Leave us a comment. We would love to hear from you. Tell us about your friend. What is their name? What are they like?
We read every comment and we love to see your messages. It makes us so happy.
Keep practicing your English every day. You can do it. Goodbye.